stories that are coming out. What is causing the escalation of mental health issues in our country? Is it a new thing, or is it something that has always been there, but we're just not addressing it before? And if it's something that's always been there, what are we doing differently now as we are seeing the escalation to make sure that we address it, especially as it pertains to our young people?
Thank you so much, Mandisa. Indeed, once upon a time as a country, mental health issues were there, but we were not talking about them. Mental issues were there, but there were some structures maybe that were protecting what we call them protective factors. Kuthi uyakhona kuceba bakulalele bese something is done about it. And then unfortunately there were times where you would say or you would come out kuthi kunendvole kanje but kube tibitendle. So I think now what is happening is that people are informed. Sesiyayikhuluma le ndzaba njengoba siyikhuluma nyalo. People are informed, people are empowered. Kuthi asokhuluma if something is wrong, if khona lokwendekako khuluma kunema structures noma ceba, and then natiphuma leti ndzaba, then definitely the numbers are going to go up. Sesitawubona ke lokuthi baningi bantu vele sebakhuluma ngetindzaba leti kanje, baningi bantu vele sebanema mental health issues. Sesibona ke in the rising of the numbers. Same thing ke le ndlela lesesikhuluma ngayo, sibona nebantu sebathatha sibinzi sekuthi bahlukubete nje. And the more people bahlukubeta, the more kuba naleti nkinga. Asengibekise nje na nyalo sekulula ukuthi umuntu ative mandla abamba umfana, ative mandla abamba intombatane. We have beautiful young women here, we have handsome gentlemen here. Okhanza ukuthi utam rape, uyabona, or utam sexual assault noma ende violence. So sebaningi lele beva ngazuthi ngekuthi ngizamile kunomzamo ngabeke emacembe la 1 2 3 nomzamo weva ngazuthi waswayibona inja idla pholoni. Yakubona. So lokwata lokho sotohamba afune a vulnerable child noma athole lomunye longakagazi so yambamba ngenkani lapho. So setiyanyuka ke le tinkinga double gender based violence. And gender based violence na inyuka nangabe nje sekakubambile ngenkani ngoba uhlulwe ngimandisa. Ngeke ngihlale ngingabi nema issues. Uyabona, sengizohlala ngithukile, sengizohlala ngikhala, sengizohlala ngimangala, ngizohlala ngine guilt, sekusetha in lapho bo depression. Lapho sengizohlala ngingumuntu lohlala thukile, especially if it was a sexual assault where you were not aware of the person kuqhamukele wakuthukela yakubona. So kutaba naku lokuthiwa hypervigilance. Lokuthi uhlala uthukile so uthuka tanya. Nangawe ipen nje lana, if one of us unato thinking aleti kanjalo utothuka kakhulu konathi sonke. Sebe post traumatic stress disorder le konke lokho nase ngihamba ngesibhedlela ngiyobika lokho ukuthi yathi ngihlale ngithukile ngihlale ngiva nje ngazuthi kukhona lo ngibamba noma kukhona lokutokwendeka bo anxiety. Nase silandzelela ukuthi where does that come from? We find that it's GBV issues, because even emotional abuse lokuthi nje uhlala ungithethisa lokuthi nje uhlale ungithusa ukuthi phela mina ngidasuke ngiku sengahlala ngithukile yakubona. Eclassini, I'm at university, I'm in high school, I can't concentrate. Where will I go? To the hospital. Angikhona concentrate yati kukhona inamaphilisi lengangineta wona concentration, or angikhona kulala khona emaphilisi lengangineta wona ekulala. Nasenda le assessment sithola lokho ukuthi imbangela yalokhu ngakhona kulala yalokhu uhlala uthukile yangakhona concentrator was from GBV. So that's where we are then documenting ukuthi we have these mental health issues that are there, but majority of the time they're coming from somewhere, they're stemming from somewhere. Ukubambile ke lona lokubambile ansawukakhona negotiator i-condom. Kanze ukuthi lo perpetrator is HIV positive. So ngithelele kanjalo. The HIV that comes with the stigma. Now it's causing these mental health issues. So yatibuta. At this age, uthi Eric Erickson, this is the time where nawe nje na soyancenga bomjolo uyakubona nawe nje na soyafaka bo ruchi soyafaka ema pearls akho enhloko ukuthi bazongibona uyabona labanye bayababona wena soyasaba ukuthi exposure because ngitojola nabani mina sengine HIV mbalo tongimukela mina ngine HIV khona sengijola ke nalona now I have to disclose. and ngidisclose ukuthi kwendekeni uyakubona so kungibuyisela emuva senginaleti inkinga ke nyalo senginemicabango ukuthi I rather end my life than ukuthi ngithi expose sekufuna abantu bangibude ukuthi kwendekani so nani nangiyesibhedlela ngiyolandza lamaphilisi ale HIV funa somehow funa ngichaze ukuthi kwendekeni or I'm going with the mindset ukuthi ebone mina senginatha lamaphilisi because yakubona kwendeka lokho so those are the mental health issues lesiwabonako sisusa sakhona man diningi letinto letikhona ba kakhulu siyambona lokuthi gender based violence uya contributor kakhulu.